Hey YouTube fam, this is Ken with LearningZen. Thanks for watching. Well, they've done it again. Camtaisa has released a new update. For PCs, this is 2022.3, and I believe it is 2022.4 for Macs. Now in this update, they did do a few bug fixes and added a few new features that you can see here. Now, I haven't had a chance to test all of these new features, and I know you don't want to see me fumbling around in this program. So, in this video, I'm going to show you the new feature, Rulers and Guides, in Camtaisa 2022. Okay, so here we are inside Camtaisa 2022.3. To go to the rulers or guides, what you'll do is go to the top left, click View, and click on Show Canvas Ruler, or you can do Control-Shift-R, and that will turn them on. Boop. So now you have a ruler, and you can start gridding out your canvas. So if you just come to the left-hand side or the top where you see numbers, if you click there, a line will appear, and then you can just drag that line to wherever you want. Now you'll notice as you drag it down, you'll see the number changing, so it tells you exactly where you are. So if you're working something like using the rule of thirds or something like that, what you might want to do is come down. I'll come down to, let me go to 250 here. And then I'll come up and click again, grab another one, and come to 250 again. And this is just, you're going to start a starting point. And you're going to drag. There's no way to use the arrows or make it advance in tens or anything like that. It's a drag. And on the left-hand side, again, you can just pull them across. And if we go 400, grab another one, put that there. And so you have roughly, you have a grid or an outline that you can work from and put different pieces in and make sure everything's aligned. What you can do here with these numbers, if you go to Edit and Preferences, Canvas Control Size. So you can set this at, the default is 1. You can set it to 1.5 where I had it. You can set it to 2. Click OK. And now your numbers are larger and it's easier to see. The other thing that does is if you bring an annotation in, you'll see that the handles are much larger and much easier to see and manipulate. So that was another new feature that was added. So as I just showed, you can take your annotations or images or whatever assets you're working with, and they will snap to your guide so that you can make sure everything is perfectly aligned. Once you get everything lined up in the way that you want it, you just hover over one of the lines till it turns yellow, right click, try that again, right click, and you can either remove that individual line or remove all ruler lines. Now, if you would like to see me cover one of the other new features, go ahead and drop that in the comments. First come, first serve. Now, if you like this video or any of the videos on our channel, why don't you go ahead and give us a like, hit that subscribe and the notification bell. We'll be coming out with new videos every week. Until next time, remember, laugh more and learn more. See ya. And I debated covering all of them, but honestly, I haven't had a chance to test them all out yet. I don't want to be And and I don't